Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Tando is furious when realize what Mbali did and they have a heat confrontations. While Pexisa, it seems like he is looking too of Tando and Mbali and he wants both of them. But Tando and Mbali has a war to get Pexisa. They do everything to get Bexisa attention. While Nomsa finally and said he relents to selling Msam after the disaster. And Tusheleni it seems like is happy when he finally gets hi- his things on Nomsa for selling at Msam. Maharaji managed to blackmail Noxola to ask for a favor to get him a parole. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.